Oh boy, it's my new iPhone. Let's do an unboxing for views. Okay. So, trash no one cares about. Okay, let's put this to the side. Wait a minute. What the hell? Okay, so it is clear that I got a new phone. Oh, it's hot. Now I'm expecting 100% that I'm going to get bullied. You're probably asking, what am I going to do with this phone? I think I'm going to give it to the poor. Maybe in Africa, I'll give it to some little child instead of food. God, I'm so generous. I am on... Leave a like because of how generous I'm being.
I cannot wait for round one. No, no. You're done. I think I'm done being nice to you. Welcome to London, motherfucker. I'm here. KSI about to fucking disappear. Bitch, I warned you. Beside me, dick up in your ear. You're chilling with dudes cause you're a woman's worst nightmare.